I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a Google account from your Android device. Have you ever needed to remove a Google account from your Android device? Whether you're passing your phone or tablet to someone else, clearing out old accounts, or simply organizing your digital life, knowing how to remove a Google account from your Android device is important. Now let's walk through the process of how to safely and securely remove a Google account from your Android device. This step-by-step guide will ensure that your personal information stays protected while you make the changes you need. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone or tablet. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Passwords and Accounts. Passwords and Accounts options are shown. Step 3. Find the Account section and then tap the Google account you want to remove from this Android device. An information screen for that Google account opens. Step 4. Tap Remove Account. A window pops up letting you know that removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. Step 5. Tap Remove Account. That Google account will be removed from your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.